Hello, good morning, students. As we are reading chapter 5, its story, The Footprints Without Feet. And the last part of this story, I am going to end it and some question answers I will clear before you. And the textual question answers, the pic of those answers I will send with this video, and you have to learn and you have to write in your notebooks. Open your book on page number 30, the last part. The scientist was always quick-tempered. The scientist was always quick-tempered. Quick-tempered means one who becomes angry very easily and very soon. Quick-tempered. And one who loses temper easily, rash, short-tempered. These are the meanings. Short-tempered, becoming angry easily, that is called quick-tempered person. The scientist was also a quick-tempered person. Now he became furious. Furious means angry. He became furious. He had lost his temper. You don't understand who or what I am, he shouted. He shouted that people did not know who was that. People did not know him and what he was. Very well, I'll show you. And now he is claiming that you don't know what I am and who I was, and I will show you. Suddenly he threw off bandages, whiskers, spectacles, and even nose. Why he took off all his bandages, whiskers, and spectacles and clothes? To become invisible. To become invisible, he had to take off all these things from his body. It took him only a minute to do this. Throwing off bandages, whiskers, spectacles, and nose even. It took only few minutes. The horrified people. Horrified people means वो लोग जो डरे हुए थे. They were very afraid of this scene, and the horrified people in the bar found themselves staring at a headless man. The people who were being afraid, they found themselves looking at a person who is headless. A headless man they are seeing. Mr. Jeffers. Who was Mr. Jeffers? Mr. Jeffers was a constable. He arrived there and was quite surprised to find that he had to arrest a man without a head. The constable had to arrest a man who had no head. But Jeffers was not easily prevented from doing this duty. Prevented means stopped. But it was not a easy task to prevent Jeffers from arresting the man who is without head. If a magistrate's warrant ordered a person's arrest, then that person had to be arrested at any cost, with or without his head. There followed a remarkable scene as the policeman tried to get hold of a man who was becoming more and more invisible as he threw off one garment after another. There followed a remarkable scene. A remarkable scene was created there as the policeman was trying to get hold. To get hold means उसको कस के पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा था वो पुलिसमैन. तो सीन क्या बनता जा रहा था? was becoming more and more invisible. That person, जैसे ही वो उसको होल्ड कर रहा था टाइटली, और वो पर्सन जो साइंटिस्ट था ग्रिफिन, वो धीरे धीरे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इनविजिबल होता जा रहा था. जितना वो अपने कपड़ों को उतारता जा रहा था अपने शरीर से और फेंकता जा रहा था, वो इनविजिबल पे भी इनविजिबल बनता जा रहा था. We finally a shirt flew into air. Finally at the end, a shirt flew into the air, and the constable found himself struggling with someone he could not see. And now the scene has reached a climax. This is a climax scene of that constable and the scientist Griffin. In this scene, or at this point, his last thing, it was shirt, flew into the air, and the constable found himself struggling with someone. कांस्टेबल अपने आप को पाता है, उसको पकड़ा धकड़ी करता है, स्ट्रगल करता है उसके साथ, जो कि दिखता ही नहीं है. वो ऐसे व्यक्ति को पकड़ने की कोशिश में लगा रहता है एट द एंड, जो दिखता ही नहीं, इनविजिबल है. Some people tried to help him, and some people also who were present there, they also tried to help him, but found themselves hit by blows that seemed to come from nowhere. That those people were also being hit by that person who was invisible, who was not being seen in the air. लोग भी वहाँ जो खड़े थे वो अपने आप को पिटता हुआ महसूस कर रहे थे. उनके ऊपर वो स्ट्राइक पे स्ट्राइक करे जा रहा था. वो पर्सन जो इनविजिबल था, लोग भी कोशिश कर रहे थे उस कांस्टेबल के साथ, बट in the end Jeffers was knocked unconscious. Out of that struggle, Jeffers was also unconscious at the end, as he made a last attempt. Last attempt means last effort to hold on to the unseen scientist. उसको पकड़ने में आखिरी एफर्ट भी उसका फेल हो गया और वो अनकॉन्शियस हो गया. There were nervous, excited cries of hold him, और ये cries and shoutings was there, और वो कांस्टेबल चिल्लाया जा रहा था कि पकड़ो उसे पकड़ो. बट दिस वॉज ईजियर सेड देन डन. ये कहने में ईजी था लेकिन करने में बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. ग्रिफिन हैड शेकन हिमसेल्फ फ्री. ग्रिफिन नाउ became free out of their control, and no one knew where to lay hands on him. No one knew that from where Griffin should be caught. Their hands were free. कहाँ से उसको पकड़ा जाए, अब उनके हाथ फ्री हो गए. In this way, Griffin escaped from their trap and ran away. So this is the story, and now you have to do all the questions from read and find out. Number 1 question, read and find out. First question, how did the invisible man first become visible? Answer, the invisible man entered the shop of a theatrical company. He found there clothes for himself. He also found things to hide his empty face. He found bandages to wear round his forehead. He found dark glasses, a false nose. False nose means artificial nose, and a large hat. Thus he became fully visible. देखिए, विजिबल बनने के लिए तो ये सब उसको पहनने पड़ते थे, ग्लव्स, क्लोथ्स, हैट्स, बैंडेजेस एंड एवरीथिंग. बट विजिबल बनने के लिए यानी कि दिखता हुआ अपने आप को बनाने के लिए उसको ये सब पहनने पड़ते थे. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाई वाज ही वॉन्डरिंग द स्ट्रीट्स? व्हाई ही वाज वॉन्डरिंग इन द स्ट्रीट? इट वाज वेरी कोल्ड एंड इट वाज वेरी bitter cold in that region, and he was searching some place for him to hide himself from this cold. I am reading the answer. He had set fire to his landlord's house. उसने आग लगा दी थी अपने मकान मालिक के घर में. He had to remove his clothes so that he could not be seen. Thus he became homeless and started wandering in the streets. इस तरह से वो होमलेस हो गया और वो गलियों में घूमने वाला घुमक्कड़ बन गया. Why does Mrs. Hall find the scientist eccentric? Eccentric, I told you, eccentric means whimsical. वो जो सनकी होता है, एकदम स्ट्रेंज, ही टेक्स स्ट्रेंज डिसीजंस वेरी क्विकली. वो डिसीजन गलत भी हो सकते हैं और सही भी हो सकते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एसेंट्रिक. तो मिसेस हॉल ने उसको एसेंट्रिक क्यों पाया? द साइंटिस्ट, आंसर, द साइंटिस्ट हैज कम टू द inn in winter. Nobody comes there at that time of the year. वो ऐसे टाइम पर आया कि कोई भी उस इन में नहीं आता है जब कोल्ड वेदर होता है. But that scientist came there. He always wears bandages on his forehead. He never talks to anyone. He is silent, never talks to anyone. That's why Mrs. Hall thinks him to be an eccentric scientist. This is the reason. Fourth question. What curious episode occurs in the study? Curious episode, strange episode. What strange episode comes in this study? The clergyman and his wife hear noises of his breath. Clergyman और उसकी पत्नी वो आवाज़ें सुनते हैं उसकी सांस की, तेज सांस. Sniff his clear sound of his breath. They hear the chink of money. They also hear the sound of coins. They open the door. They find nobody there, but the money is missing. Thus it is a curious thing. जब कोई भी वहाँ नहीं है तो पैसे जो गायब हो गए और उनको आवाज़ें आ रही हैं without any visible things. Without any visible thing, they are hearing the noise of money, and money is missing. This is the curious and very strange and interesting part of this story. What other extraordinary things happen at the inn? What other extraordinary things happen there? Answer. Mrs. Hall can see no one in the room, yet she hears a sniff close to her ear. Then a head leaps up and dashes into her face. Thirdly, a chair rises up in the air. It pushes both Mrs. Hall and her husband out of the room. इस तरह से वो ये एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी चीज़ें जो अनबिलीवेबल होती हैं वो देखने को उनको मिल रही है कि उनको आवाज़ें आ रही है सांस लेने की जोर जोर से, और वो उसका हेड हवा में उड़ता है और उनके आके बार बार टकराता है, एंड इवन चेयर भी एयर में उड़ती है और वो उनको टक्करें देके धक्का देके वो रूम से बाहर निकाल देती है. These are the extraordinary things. Sixth question. Griffin was rather a lawless person. Lawless means person who doesn't follow the rules and regulation is called a lawless person. Here Griffin was accepted as a lawless person. Comment. Answer. Griffin set the house of his landlord on fire. Why he set the house of his landlord? Because he was lawless. अगर वो कानून कायदे जानता और मैनर्स वाला आदमी होता तो वो हाउस अपने लैंडलॉर्ड के घर में आग नहीं लगाता. Then he stole things from shops. He hit the shopkeeper and stole his money. He stole the clergyman's money. He hit the constable also. All these were illegal acts. You can know. Seventh question. How would you assess Griffin as a scientist? Griffin was a scientist. How can we say? Answer. As a scientist, Griffin was successful. Griffin was successful. At the end, just we have ended this chapter, this story, कि वो बिल्कुल हवा में इनविजिबल हो जाता है और वो जेफर्स को भी नहीं मिलता है ना, कोई भी उसको पकड़ नहीं पाता है और वो सबको घायल करके वहाँ से फ्ली हो जाता है, भाग जाता है. और that's why he is successful. He wanted to prove that the human body could become invisible. वो ये प्रूव करना चाहता था कि ह्यूमन बॉडी भी इनविजिबल हो सकता है. He did many experiments. At last, एक्सपेरिमेंट्स क्या किए थे, उसने ड्रग्स ली थी और फिर वो सारे कपड़े और अपने स्पेक्टेकल्स, हेड्स, gloves, all things he removed from his body to become invisible. All these experiments showed that he was a successful scientist. At last, he discovered a rare drug. It could make the human body as transparent as glass. ये ड्रग पीने के बाद उसने ऐसे एक ड्रग का इन्वेंट किया था जिसको पीने के बाद पूरा बॉडी हमारा ट्रांसपेरेंट हो सकता है, आर पार हम देख सकते हैं. और in few words we can say that whole the body of the person becomes invisible after taking this drug. So these questions you will have to understand their answers and you have to do in your copy. And these two questions on page number 31, think about it. One or two questions are there and 3 questions are there in talk about it. You have to do. I am sending their answers with this video, and I am going to stop here, and the next new chapter I will start from the next video, and till that you complete your work till the last this chapter and question answers, and hand to hand go on learning all the answers of these questions and word meanings, so that it will be easy task for you during the examinations. You will be very clear and very easy everything for you to attempt the questions in the examinations. And I am going to end here. Okay, take care of yourself. Always take care of yourself. The time is not good. This is very critical time we are facing. Okay, use always sanitizer, use mask and gloves, and don't go outside. Whenever you touch anything, wash your hands and be in a safety place and take care of yourself, elders and youngers. Okay, we will meet again in the next video. Thank you and have a nice goodbye.